So story goes back when I was running the ultra marathon race. There I suffered with a knee injury, for which I have to visit physiotherapist. There I absorbed the treatment and was good to go in a short span of time. I was astonished that physical therapists not only use medication, but they treat their patient with exercise and manual therapy. That is how I realized the importance of this field. And when I explored more, so it was so interesting for me that I have to choose physical therapy for my higher studies. If I talk about RMI, I choose RCIS because I want to spend my 5 years in well-disciplined class, where there is a balance between studies and co-curricular activities. I'll encourage you all to choose RCRS for your better future.